Hey, what's up guys? This is RAYUL here and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a tutorial for this sound. So this sound right here is my favorite sound, and this sound is called the Sega sound, or also it's been called the alien sound. So the first time I heard this sound was from Korean effects, and since the first time I heard it, this sound has been my favorite because it just doesn't sound like human at all, and it's like really dope. Sounds like a video game. I guess that's where it gets the name Sega sound. And this sound is not a very complicated sound, but you will need to know how to do two sounds to be able to make this sound. Alright, so let's start with the tutorial. So the first sound you will need is the zipper, which is like this. Alright, so you will need a zipper. You will need to know how to do the zipper sound. The second sound you will need to make this sound is the click roll. So this sound. But I do the click roll on the right side of my mouth. I can also do it in the middle, but for me, whenever I do the click roll in the middle, the Sega sound doesn't come out. So maybe you will need to know how to do the click roll on the side of your mouth, either the right or left. For me, that's what works best. But if you can do it in the middle and it works for you, then go ahead and use that sound too. Alright, so now to make this sound, like I said, you will need to know how to do the zipper and the click roll. And then you put those two sounds together and you get the Sega sound. So you do the zipper and then you add the click roll and you get this. And that's how you get the Sega sound. And you can control the pitch for the Sega sound as well. So you can do slow it down or make it fast like this. So to do this, it's all about controlling your breathing. So the faster you breathe in or the harder you breathe in, the faster the sound will be. So like I'm gonna breathe in hard with the click roll. And that makes it sound like, I guess, a little more accelerated. But if you breathe in slower, it makes the pitch sound different like this. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to make the Sega sound. So again, the zipper, and then you do the click roll, and you get the Sega sound. So that's pretty much all you need to make this sound. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you hit the like button, comment if you got any questions, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you guys want to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.